Look over there.
What's over there?
What's over there?
Open it?
Open it.
Can you open that?
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday.
What is it?
What is it?
A kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yeah, I'm done.
That's an oven. You get your own kitchen.
Yes, like my machine.
A microwave. Jackson, look in the refrigerator.
Huh?
You look in the refrigerator? We got a phone?
Phone.
So inside here.
What's that?
And I'm not let me open.
Oh, sandwiches. Look at that box. Oh, you already opened this one.
I didn't do that one. I should have done that one too.
I didn't see that one. Cupcakes.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
You gonna cook?
Turn that to cook it. And look at this, Jackson. What you can do? This is your cutting board. Here's your knife. Cut the tomato right off. You see? Whoa! You cut the pepper.
Yes, I see that. I can't paint it, Mama.
You cut a spicy pepper?
Yes. Watch.
No, you guys see that line is?
Watch.
Cut it. Wow.
Wow.
Hey, check out what's in here. Underneath the sink. What do you see?
I need to touch it.
That's yeah, you can cut them all. That's cauliflower.
Okay. Watch.
You put it right in here. Put it right in here. Right. Yeah, the knife goes the other way. Yeah.
To peel it first.
With this one, you actually can peel it first. Then cut it. Hold it with your left hand. Hold the cauliflower with your left hand.
What do you say, Jackson? It's a happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Right down.